How to hide locked chats on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp and then make sure to log into your account. In order to hide locked chats on WhatsApp, first of all you need to lock any chats on WhatsApp. For that, locate the group chat or individual chat you want to lock. Tap and hold it and tap three dots at top right corner. From this drop-down menu, select Lock Chat button and now tap on Continue button. You need to use your face or fingerprint to open the chat and read notifications on this device. And now confirm your fingerprint. After that, at top of the screen, you will find Lock Chats and it will be hidden on that section. So you don't need to hide it manually. WhatsApp will automatically hide it from your chat section. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.